This is one of my favourite exercises for learning, kind of getting used to factorising. For each line, you have to decide, can I factorise it, or do I just simplify it because factorising doesn't make sense? Have a go in your own time, or maybe watch these because I've still got another 2 sheets of them for us to go through as well. Right, that definitely factorises because they've both got a 5, and you could multiply that out to double check if you liked. What about the next one? They've both got a 9 in. P, 9 times 1 is 9. Now the next one, it's very tempting to say it's got a 7. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't need to do that because we can just add it together. It's 21. I don't really know, personally, an easy rule for this. I think you just need to notice. Yeah, let's try another one. Obviously, pause the video, have a go in your own time if you like. Well, these are two different things that can't be combined, and that's how they factorise. Oh wait, I've got 9q and another 9q, that just makes 18q. But now we've got q's and p's, which can't combine, but we can factorise it. And just to say, sometimes you can't simplify and you can't factorise. I've just picked all examples where you can definitely either simplify or factorise. 7 plus 14. Oh yeah, that's 21. 7x plus 14. Well, you've got 7 x's and then just 14, so... Oh wait, 14, that's 2 times 7. Ah, okay, so we can take a 7 out, and then we have x plus 2. And then we can multiply that out to double check. That's 7x plus 14. Yep, that worked. And then this one is similarly 7 times x plus 3. Final page of questions. Here we go. Have a go in your own time, if you like. You got x plus another 6x's, which makes a total of 7x. And again, 5x plus another 5x, that just makes 10x. Oh, this is different. We've got some x's, and then we've just got a number on its own. So we can actually factorise that. There we go. Final thought. Just a reminder, you can't always simplify or factorise. I just picked examples where you could definitely do one or the other for this exercise.